It's Mr. Grable. So I want to show you how to use Google Slides to kind of have an interactive choose your own story type of idea. And it's we're going to be linking slides within Google Slides. So let me just show you. So I've already put some of this together. So I'm going to publish to the web and I'll come back to this. Now it's already published. So I'm going to just grab this URL and then close it. And I'm going to paste it into a new tab. So this is a great way to share Google Slides out with whoever you want, and they can't change it. So what's for lunch? So pick what you want for lunch. So let's click on hot dog, and you see I put in a GIF here of the dogs running. So let me show you some more. Pick lunch again. What's for lunch? Pick what you want for lunch. We'll do noodles. And I got this cat eating a whole bunch of noodles. So let's try one more, and we'll click on pizza. Which pizza would you choose? Let's go this Supreme style pizza. And I got, who is that? Patrick? Patrick eating. So we go to pizza, we can do cheese, we got yummy in my tummy. And then the last one for pizza is the Hawaiian pizza, which I put this in there. There's always that debate about Hawaiian pizza and things. So that's what you can make. And I'm going to show you really quick how to do this. So I'm going to, let's move that away. All right. So I'm going to go to this slide and I'm going to add in a sandwich here. So I want the same text. I want the same size text. So I'm just going to Control C, then Control V, and I copy and paste it. Okay. Now let's do sandwich. Yeah. Now you'll see right now that it's already linked. So I'm going to actually remove that link. Okay. Now I'm going to go over here to the left and scroll down, and I'm going to add a new slide. And I just want a blank slide. It doesn't really matter the order of these slides over here to the left. Okay. So on this slide, I want peanut butter and jelly time. So I can open up a new tab and I'll just search peanut butter and jelly time GIF. All right. So that GIF or GIF is how it moves, right? So I'll do this one, or I guess I'll preview it. All right. So that's good enough. So I'm going to hover over this picture and I'm going to right click on a Chromebook. That's a 2-finger tap. And I go down and I do copy image address. And it's copied, right? So I go back to my Google Slides. I go to insert image by URL. And I can just right click and paste, or I can just do Control V. Yep, that's the one. So now, I can resize it. And I'm going to center. See that red line? And I'm going to put it up to the top. Okay. Now, I do want it to go back to this slide, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert word art, and I'm going to do pick lunch again. I'll enter it. Now, you can customize this however you want. So I can change the font. Let's do like that. We'll do yellow, but I don't like how that G is. So I'm going to put that up. I'm going to change the height of the dancing banana. All right. Now, here's how we are going to link this. So when you click on it, it takes us back up to our lunch choices. So let me go back to this slide 9, okay? I'm going to click on this box. I'm going to click on this word art, and then I'm going to link it. Now, lots of times we link it to like a website or something, but if you click slides in this presentation, you see how you can't see it good? So this is kind of annoying. So you have to move it up, and then let's do link, slides in the presentation, and then I want it to go back to slide 2. Slide 2. And I click apply. Now, let's go ahead and play our presentation. Let's see if it actually works. So here we are. Pick lunch again. If I click this should take us back to the lunch menu. And it does. So, okay. So we did that correctly. Now, that's how you do it. And you'll notice that on slide 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, well, not 9, but in the other slides, I have the exact same pick lunch again. Well, what's really nice is you can just copy and paste this, and it will take us back to the same one. So pick lunch again, it's going back to slide 1. What's for lunch? So I guess let's change this one. So we're going to edit link, and we are going to close it, and we're going to pick a new one. So once again, the view is kind of bad. So let's edit our link. We're going to take that away, and we're going to do a slide in the presentation. So it can go last slide or your first slide, but I want it to go back to slide number 1, just like all the other ones, just like the other slides. We do that. Now we can put it back. Now to publish it to the web, it's a relatively easy process. Since I've already done it, it'll look a little bit different for you, but it's the same basic idea. So you go publish to web, and it's linked, or you can embed it. Embedding is something that we're not going to work on right now. And it auto advances the slides every 3 seconds. So you can change this if you want. The default's usually fine. Restart the slideshow after the last slide. I just leave these things blank. And I think on yours, it's going to say something like generate HTML or generate the link. You can restrict if you want. I'm not going to. You can also share this with your email or social media. That's not something we're going to do. So you just click on it, Control C to copy it, and then we can open up a new tab and Control V. This is long, crazy URL, but this is now like published to the internet. Anybody can use it. And if I click through, pick what you want for lunch. We'll do sandwich. Whoops. Oh, that didn't work, did it? So let me go back into my Google Slides. I know what I didn't do was I did not hyperlink this sandwich. So I can click on this text box. I'm going to link it. And we're going to do slides and presentation. And we'll scroll down. Here, let me move it first. We're going to slides and presentation. And remember, it was slide 9, right? So let's go to slide 9 and we apply it. Now I can move it back where I want. All right, let me go back to my presentation. I'm going to refresh and see if I got it now. So, all right, here we go. What's for lunch? Sandwich. Peanut butter jelly time. All right, so then we can pick lunch again and go to pizza, and then I can pick whichever ones I want. So this is definitely a fun way to get used to linking your slides in Google Slides by just clicking. So it makes it a little bit more interactive. I've seen some awesome choose your own adventure stories. I've seen a lot of fun uses for it. And I thought this would just be a fun way to show you how to put in some GIFs or some memes with something easy. But feel free to take this idea and make it your own, make it fun, make it creative, make it however you want, as long as it's appropriate for school. I hope that this video helps, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.